That tear down. You dumbass boy.
That motherfucker, that was fool.
Water. Told you. It's water. That top.
That bitch got so much goddamn water on top of it.
Where that rust come from? Go eat.
Oh yeah, shit.
That's the only way. That's the only way you get rust in the motor.
Man, look at that bitch got water sitting on top. It look better than the other side though. It just got water sitting in this side.
Meanwhile, across town, I got the head put on. I had to take the exhaust off so I can hold it thing. So I can hold it, what's it called, so the lift will stay still. Put that 22 in. Assembly exhaust. Put the spring in. I don't know what I'm doing though. Just the valve. That's the keeper right there at the top. Lift the pipe. Go back across town. This is done at his shop. This is it. That was superb. What are you doing? Man, that bitch got what? How many? They probably got about 30 something pound valve springs. I couldn't even push the spring down my hand. This one don't come. This one having nicks on my motor. On something of mine. Probably have me a 4-wheel like this with a motor like this on it. Running like a sewing machine. You heard, poured and polished. I'll take my head out, but I don't want to be down long. I want to ride it. I'm gonna put it on that silver. I'm ready to put my silver mini bike. When I put that together, just go on that silver mini bike. With that small seat going on. Snatch me off like that.
Still ain't nowhere near done.
You far from done. Try to break it loose. Rock that flywheel back and forth. Let's put some oil or something on. Let it sit. That's all you gotta do, bro. Pour a cap full of oil in there. Cap full right there. And the more you get up and move that motherfucker, it's gonna break it loose. Every motor I ever had was locked down, I tore it down right there. Oil at the top. Next day, back and forth. Or sometimes you have to get the grip pliers and lock it and then bump it back and forth. And then once you get that crack, once you get that crust broken, it's over.
Put 30mm McCoons on both sides.
That's it. Going on this here.